Most founders spend 3 to 5 hours a week writing social posts that nobody reads. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up an AI agent that handles all of it. Drafts for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit, schedules them on the right cadence, and lets you approve every post from your phone in literally one tap. No code, no complex setup. The agent installs itself, and it actually remembers your voice. Let us dive in. I am in SureThing on my laptop. The Browse Agents page is our agent library. These are pre-built AI teammates you can drop into any project. Today, we are using social media automation. Click Add to Project, pick which project you want it in, and that is literally the setup. Watch what happens. The agent installs itself and immediately starts setting up. It is reading its own playbook, writing its workspace files, strategy, state, and post history. Then it schedules its own work cycles. Notice it did not ask me a single config question. No setup form, no wizard, no settings page. The agent decides what it needs. 2 routines just appeared. Drafts every Monday, Wednesday, Friday morning at 9 a.m., and a weekly performance summary every Sunday evening. Here is something most AI tools get wrong. The workspace files I just mentioned are not config, they are memory. The agent builds a style guide from your existing accounts, your tone, your topic rotation, your do's and don'ts. Every time you approve or edit a draft, that decision goes back into memory. By post 20, the agent sounds more like you than I do. Each time the routine fires, the agent drafts a post in your voice and surfaces it as a card right in your project chat. You can approve, edit, or skip. Click Approve, it posts. Click Edit, you tweak the copy, and that edit goes back into memory. Click Skip, it picks a different angle next cycle. Here is where it gets interesting. Your phone is fully synced. Let me switch over. Same SureThing project, same draft card, same memory, just on the mobile app. The agent does not care which device you are on. Your approvals sync everywhere. This is how I actually use it. Drafts come in during the morning. I review them on my phone over coffee, or between meetings, tap approve, and I am done. The whole social workflow goes from 3 to 5 hours a week to about 10 minutes. Once approved, the post goes out. Here it is on Twitter, same copy adapted for LinkedIn. Same idea, reshaped for Reddit. Every platform gets a version tuned for that audience, all from one draft cycle. You wrote 0 of these. The agent did it all. That is the whole workflow. The agent does the writing, the scheduling, the publishing. Memory grows with you. You make the final call from wherever you are. To try this yourself, go to SureThing.io. Are free to start, no credit card. Next tutorial, we will set up the lead gen and outreach agent. Same pattern, totally different superpower. See you in the next one.